I've had these shoe charms in my cart for the longest time, but I literally have all the supplies for them. I have so many pearls, rhinestones, crystals, because if you guys didn't know, I used to make bridal accessories before I did a lot of paper flowers. I had a whole collection of veils, sashes, headpieces, and I used to sell them at wedding boutiques. I used to sell them with Anthropology. So that was kind of my thing before I did paper flowers. And for some reason, I just never wanted to make bridal accessories ever again. I don't really know why, but I just never wanted to look at pearls ever again. And this week, I didn't want to look at paper, so I figured I start with some shoe charms for myself. And yeah, I feel like crafting as a hobby is really hard to do when crafting is your business. So I figured I just need some time to just craft as a hobby and have like a creative outlet for myself right now. So today I'm going to do that. I'm going to take the day off, just make stuff for myself. I made like an apron last week. So this week I'm going to just take the day off to make some shoe charms and start with that. I just unboxed my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and I love it. Look how discreet this is. Like you can't even see it. I actually got invited to the Silhouette Summit in Hawaii and I'm going in just a couple days. I am so excited and so honored to be invited and going to Hawaii. It's my first solo Hawaii trip. And I thought it was the perfect time to invest in this tiny little camera so I can carry this around. I do love my Sony like vlogging camera that I did get recently, and I love my big Sony camera. I do feel like the quality of the Sony is just, you just can't beat it. But I love this because it's so tiny and you can just fit this in your purse. It literally fits in my tiny purse. So I'm excited to carry this around and I'll take you guys with me and I'll be vlogging with this camera and hopefully I get to see how well it works and be able to tell you guys how I feel about this camera. I can't wait to use the camera in Hawaii. I'm going to go get dinner ready for my family. I'm making kimbap today.